Finding a reliable solution for the Roblox installer closing instantly after a recent update can be incredibly frustrating. I personally encountered this exact problem and after extensive testing, discovered several effective strategies that will get your game up and running, and I'm eager to share them with you now. First, we tackle common permission conflicts. Running the installer as an administrator elevates its privileges, allowing it to make necessary system changes without being blocked. If that doesn't work, setting compatibility mode for an older Windows version can resolve conflicts arising from recent operating system updates, as some applications struggle with newer system behaviors. Next, let's address potential data corruption. Corrupted temporary files or leftover cache from previous installations can severely interfere with the new installer, leading to immediate crashes. Clearing these temporary files ensures the installer has a clean slate, preventing it from encountering bad data. Another frequent culprit is security software. Antivirus programs or firewalls sometimes flag new or updated legitimate software like the Roblox installer as a potential threat, prematurely terminating its process. Temporarily disabling these during installation allows the installer to complete its tasks unhindered. Finally, a thorough clean reinstallation combined with a system file check can be the ultimate fix. Uninstalling Roblox completely and manually removing any residual files eliminates fragmented or corrupted installation data. Following this with a system file checker command or SFC scannow repairs any integrity violations in your Windows system files that might be silently disrupting the installer. This comprehensive approach ensures all underlying issues are addressed, providing a stable foundation for a successful Roblox installation